Hey, what's up guys? I'm Quentin from Unboxpedia. On my hand is the new AirPods Pro, released quietly on 28th of October. The AirPods Pro costs $250, which is pretty high-end. So let's check it out. The first difference you notice is the case. The case for AirPods Pro is a bit larger than the first and the second generation. It is shorter and wider, but the thickness is about the same. The AirPods Pro is still using the Lightning interface, but the cable comes with is now changing to Lightning to USB Type-C. Of course, the AirPods Pro case supports wireless charging, as same as the second generation. And it can provide an additional 24 hours of battery life, which is very important because Apple's new noise cancellation may drain your AirPods battery a little bit faster than before. The buds themselves are also getting a new design. The ear tips is shorter and wider. They come with the soft silicone covers. Apple also provides two sets of covers in different sizes, so that you can choose the best fit. You can actually buy replacement covers from Apple for $4. Apple also changed up the controls. Instead of tapping on the back to answer calls or pause your music, you can now squeeze the end of each bud to control playback or answer calls. The end of each bud has a small notch with what Apple calls a force sensor, which helps you feel where to grab onto the bud. Now the AirPods Pro is equivalent to IPX4 water resistant, which is a good news for people working out. For the connection, it is easy as usual. Just bring your AirPods Pro case next to your iPhone. Open the lid and voila! Once you click on the connect button, there will be an animated guide for the new features. Talking about the most important feature, AirPods Pro have Active Noise Cancellation, meaning that they are constantly adjusting based on your surroundings in order to tune out ambient noise. Now let's have a try for these $250 AirPods Pro. Well, first impression, the sound quality is way better than the first and the second generation. And the noise cancellation is functioning impressively well, especially in this size. I can barely hear the noise of people chatting around. Of course, it cannot be compared with the giant over-ear ANC headsets like Sony 1000XM3, but it's already quite good to tuning out the traffic noise in our daily life. Apple has provided 3 ways to allow you to disable the ANC features without taking off your AirPods Pro. You can simply squeeze and hold the force sensor to toggle between noise cancellation and transparency mode. You can manage it in Control Center, or in the Bluetooth setting. Talking about fits, it is something that's different for everyone. Well, I'm not big fans of in-ear buds, cause my ears will get sore after leaving them in for a while. After almost a day testing with the AirPods Pro, I would say Apple really did a good job on it. First, the silicone covers has the same angled design as earpods and AirPods. Second, there's no plastic piece extending into your ear canal. The connect point is actually inside the earbud. The buds are much more comfortable to live in for long periods of times. And one more thing, Apple even created an ear tip fit test, which can help you choose the right size tip by checking whether the buds are sealing properly in your ear. I've never seen this in any other brands. The test is pretty simple. You will listen to a short music clip and get a quick assessment of whether they fit properly. Overall, I'm so satisfying about the AirPods Pro. The case size is totally fine. The sound quality is way better now. The active noise cancellation works impressively. The only drawback is the cost. It is a little bit expensive, but if you are hungry for decent, comfortable ANC earbuds, AirPods Pro could be your choice. Alright guys, if you have questions or comments, please leave me a message below. If you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and enable the ring bell. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.